Hello friend, today I want to show you how to remove it button lock Tecno old model Tecno old model. How to remove it button lock password. You see this one is not open. You are first make it off. After then press power button and volume down button. Okay, power button, volume down. Some phone is power button and volume up button. Some phone is power button and volume down button. This phone is a volume down button. Okay, now is leave it power button, volume down button, don't leave it. You see, now is get it setting. After then is same, you are press power button, make it on, and pressing volume up button is same thing. Leave it power button, don't leave volume up. After then go to down. After then press the power button. After then again go to down, then again press power button. Now your phone is button lock is remove it. Only this job is do it 100%, your phone is done. You see, now is taking only just sometime 1 minute, sometime 2 minutes. Now it's done. After then again press power button. Next video you are get it FRP. You see, now you have FRP. When is showing this lock is 100% you have FRP.